Hi, I'm Dr. John Puma, and welcome to the ChefMD video blog. This week's question comes to us from Susan in Waverly, Tennessee. Susan writes, "What can I eat that will fill me up without fattening me up? My weight loss is stalled." Susan, what you can do is make a great investment in a tape measure, which I bet you probably already have at home. You can use the tape measure for a couple of different things. One, measure your waist. The waist is the most important place to lose weight from, not just from a look and feel better perspective, but also from a medical perspective, because extra weight around your waist means extra visceral fat and abdominal fat, which produces hormones. It's not just a spare tire. It's actually an organ that produces hormones, and those hormones make you hold on to fat. The second thing you can do with a tape measure is to measure your plates. And the rim of the plate, I have two very pretty plates here. The rim of the plate is for decoration, not for more food. If you measure this plate all the way across from rim to rim, it's 10.5 inches. So we would think of this as a dinner plate. The food area, though, is just 7.5 inches. The smaller the plate, the less you eat, because the plate looks more full. That's been demonstrated in study after study. So some of my patients in Santa Barbara use really small plates like this, which you might think of as a dessert plate or a coffee plate or a bread plate, even though it has a pretty crocus and galanthus on it. Rim to rim, remember the rim is for decoration. This is 7 3/8. The food surface area for this is barely 5 inches. If you put an entree on a 5-inch surface plate, you're going to make that plate look full. And as you eat it, psychologically, the plate is helping you lose weight by persuading you that the plate's full and you're now emptying it. One other important thing, maybe the second most important thing, is to have protein at every meal. That will help. Protein stays in your stomach longest, and that means that you can feel full longer, have a little bit of protein with breakfast, a little protein at lunch, and a little protein at dinner. I don't mean protein supplements. I mean a little low-fat cheese or nuts at breakfast. I mean a little bit of lean poultry or fish at lunch. I mean nuts and beans for dinner. Make sure you truly taste and savor what you eat. A lot of people rush through dinner. I like them sitting down whenever they eat. That's essential. Maybe the most important behavior is sit down. Don't browse at the refrigerator, stroll around the yard while popping food in your mouth. Sit. Treat yourself as well as you treat your guests. Football player Terrell Owens, or T.O., eats steamed vegetables as a snack. Get that. He eats steamed vegetables as a snack. Here's your recipe for steamed vegetables. They're inside my Moroccan chicken and 2-bean salad. It's hugely filling, start to finish, 30 minutes, and low calorie to boot. Make it, and if you like it, teach it to someone else, and leave me a comment about how you did it on chefmd.com. Thanks for writing, Susan. I'm Dr. John Puma for ChefMD.